Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. Well guys, in case in this new year, if you have the target, like if I would like to level up my skill in the certain aspect, so you gotta do the or follow the courses. However, if you need the free version, don't worry guys, because in this video I will show you the trick and also the platform that will provide you that courses and 100% for free. Well guys, in this Google, actually this will provide you the courses named the Google Digital Garage. However, if you'd like to access it, I will suggest you to do the login first, which into your Google account until it will show like this. And after that, in this searching section, you can simply find it Google Digital Garage and select this section. And if you find this certification verification has been discontinued, don't worry, because you just keep going by clicking this learn more. And after that, it will start to confirm you about what can we help you with. So you can simply select this one, and also you can select the purpose by these courses, for example, to grow the career or your business. For example, I will select this grow my career. And after that, if you'd like to see the aspect that will provide it or will be provided by this Google Digital Garage, so you can simply select this show me everything, and you'll see that this platform will provide you several niche. For example, learn the AI skill, prepare for the new job, and until learn about the sustainability. And for example, here I will select this one, learn about digital marketing, and click let's go. And after that, it will bring you into this section, like the topic that will related to about the digital marketing. For example, there is the build confidence with the self-promotion, and if you scroll down, there will be a lot of or a bunch of topic that will relate to the digital marketing, like this. And for example, I will select this one, the business communication, and it will gonna bring you into the another tab, and this will be the short introduction of this topic. And if you'd like to continue, then you can simply select this business communication, and this will be the small topic, or it's kind of the chapter inside this topic guys, like the business writing essential, how to write the powerful business report, and until the quiz guys. And for example, you can start off your courses by clicking this get started, and it will show you the video that will give you the material that will provide you a bunch of knowledge, and this also the transcript.
Business writing is any written communication used in a professional.
And after that, you can simply continue about the material to know more about the digital marketing. So follow along this Google Digital Garage to give you and provide you a bunch of skills, and I hope that you will reach the success in your career ahead, and I will pray for you the best guys. So this all the video, and I hope this video finds you helpful guys to add your another insights about that there is the another platform that can help you and give you the free courses, guys. And in case if you have any feedback or requests, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And also stay healthy. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.